guys, so thank you for tuning in. As always, I'm Anthony. This is the Breakout Daily. Hey, make sure hit subscribe, follow us down below. Also check us out on TikTok, Instagram, and everywhere else. Today we have 2 Torpedo Comics mystery boxes. Now, if I recall correctly, these I got through, I believe it was Whatnot, and they are supposed to be, I think, 4 books in each, and then you have a chance to win a original art piece by Kevin Eastman, which would be awesome. I think it was valued, they're saying it's valued at $2,000, but these are $100 each. I believe there were supposed to be 4 comics, TMNT comics, signed by Kevin Eastman. So let's see what we got in the first box. You got the Torpedo mailer. And I didn't see these advertised on their website, so it was in one of their live shows. They ran 25 and sent them out. I believe if you get the picture, you win. If you don't win. So we shall see. I think you get a Polaroid. So that's what's inside the box. So I don't think I got a winner in this one. We'll see. I have no clue. Let's see what's it's in like a sealed sleeve, so you get double-sided. It is nice that they have those. I don't know, I kind of like it. Kind of like this guy right here. That's their cover mailer, and it's made out of the thick stuff. So here we go. So we have number 1 in a 1-issue micro series, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's actually really cool. Donatello number 1. And you can see, hopefully you can see without the glare, the Kevin Eastman signature and the COA. This is graded at a 9.2. So let's take a look real quick. And again, so this one's going to be a little different, I guess, to evaluate the value on the books, because they are signed by the man himself, Kevin Eastman. So Donatello, there it is right there. Wow. Holy smokes. Wow. Is this right? Dang, that book right here, according to cover price, is $50 raw. And obviously this has the Kevin Eastman signature. So in theory, this should be worth $100 in theory. And that's cover price's price, not theirs. Okay, the next one. Wow, another number 1. So we have, and this is an older book. That's crazy. April O'Neil, Kevin Eastman, also at a 9.0 is what they're giving it, signed. So let me look this one up. Let's see how difficult it is. Let me look at the cover. Yeah, it's definitely a distinct cover. There it is. So this is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles presents April O'Neil, May East Saga from 1993. And what is cover price calling it? Looks like it's a 3-part series. Oh, $6. Signature. I don't know what Kevin Eastman signatures are going for. I mean, at minimum, I would guess $50 with the condition of that if you were a diehard Ninja Turtles fan, or I could be completely wrong. Okay, last one is this is the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Adventures number 16, again signed by Kevin Eastman. So let's look this one up real quick. So what did we get in this pack? So this pack, we got 3 books. I think they range between 3 and 4 books, probably depending on what they're putting in there. So let's do Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Adventures number 16. There we go. No, not 161. Number 16. There it is. This is from the 1990 run. I actually have the first edition of this book. Okay, so this book, raw market value is $7.50, and then $120 for a 9.8 is the current evaluation on this guy. So the signatures are what carried this one. I mean, the first Donatello book, definitely the value in this collection. The raw books were coming in at $60 collectively between the three. You throw the signatures on. Again, I'm not sure what Kevin Eastman's signatures are going for. So maybe I'm off kilter by saying his signature's worth $20, $50. I don't know. Now we're on to the second one. The second. So this was out of 25. I really hope I win that print, the limited print. I thought that was awesome. And again, I think they put a Polaroid in here, or they put some kind of note in here. Please be the one. I think that would just be the bee's knees. No, it's not in the box. So again, I've seen some of the videos that have been done online, and some of those are like taped inside the box. So we'll see. If that's not the case, then I'm really hoping that we've got some big books in here. So we've got 3 books again. Oops. So 1 in 25 chance to win a limited sketch done by Kevin Eastman. Okay. That's pretty cool. Where's that thing double boarded? Okay, so we got the 3 books here. This first book looks freaking crazy. I don't know when this is from, though. This is the Eastman and Layard's Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Authorized Martial Arts Training Manual. Rated at a 9.0. So let's look this up. What are they calling this? Authorized. Just throw that in there. Number 1. That's a crispy looking book, though. I'm assuming this is a limited run. Or is it a one-shot? That's the thing with some of these books. And Ninja Turtles has a ton of books. Authorized. So sorry about the delay here. Let me put the whole name in. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Authorized Martial Arts Training. Let's see if that helps the search, because there's a ton of books that I'm seeing, with the exception of this actual book. Annual 1. I'm assuming this is a limited series. Batman and Ninja Turtles. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Mutant Animals. All right, so it's going to be a minute here while I scroll through this. There's adventures, there's agenda. Man, there's a ton of these books. Okay, so I did not see it there. Maybe it's a one-shot. We're going to look back through the one-shots. Savage Dragon, April Fools, Turtles Crossover, Donatello, Savage Dragon. Okay, so wow, I'm not seeing this. So let me check the last off of the main runs, regular runs. There's a ton of books, though, I'm telling you. Ninja Turtles. Wow. I'm just scrolling at this point. Sorry for the dramatic kind of delay here. Man. This is crazy. I would have thought that... All right, well, let me just Google this thing. because I'm not seeing it. Google TMNT authorized martial arts training. There it is. Okay, so on eBay, I'm seeing $30, $15, $90 for a what they're calling a 9.2. This guy isn't, they're calling it a 9.0, so 25. So it looks like between 30 and about 50, $70. It's kind of all over the place from eBay. So still a cool book. Now we're going back to the Turtles Adventures. This is an 8.5. This is number 15. Let's see if Cover Price has that one. Actually, I know they should have that one. Adventures. Number 15. There it is. It is a direct edition. Oof. $5. $5. 8.5. And you get the Eastman signature on it. It's still a nice looking book. So now the question is, what is this last book worth? This is one crazy looking cover. It does look like it's from the original run. It's an 8.5. So this is TMNT number 32. Let me show you that again. I was kind of quick about that. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Better be, hopefully it's something, man, because so far, again, the books themselves, we're heading into the same kind of range as the other one, where it's roughly about $60 worth of books. Now, granted, Kevin Eastman's signature's got to be worth something. It'd be hard for me to believe otherwise. So this, I believe, is the Mirage run, right? Let me look. No. Guess not. What run is this from? Hold on here. Tmnt. It has to be from the Mirage run. Book 32. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles book 32. This one. Weird. So this is kind of strange because the cover, the alternate cover, hold on. Is this it must be a wraparound cover. This must be a wraparound, and I'm wondering if they're showing they must be showing the back on Cover Price here. Sorry for the delay. Oh, they're showing a weird, oops, sorry, stick it. They're showing a weird cover to it. So unfortunately, it is the A cover, which $4. So that's kind of lame. Great condition. They're calling it an 8.5. Yeah, so again, $60 worth of value. If it had the second print, the Bodhi second print, would have been $25. So the books themselves, in my opinion, are not worth $100. Actually, not in my opinion. The fact of the matter is, the books themselves are not worth $100. They're coming in between, the 60, right around $60 for both of these. But they are signed by Kevin Eastman. So even if you said Eastman's signature was worth $10 each, that's six books. So that'd be $90. So I wouldn't say that these were great deals. And that's the unfortunate thing that I've seen time and time again online and from mystery boxes that I've bought in, is like you come out right out at maybe breaking even, or in some cases you'll come out below breaking even, which I am definitely not a fan of at all. You spend $100 on a mystery box and you get $30 worth of stuff. I think that's kind of a joke. So anyways, guys, that is the TMNT mystery boxes from Torpedo Comics. Cool books. I do wish that it would have been at the $100 marker comic value and then throwing in the signatures, but nonetheless, it's still cool. I've got a nice Last Ronin collection. That would have been really cool to get, would be a signed Last Ronin. But that's what we got today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in to the Breakout Daily. I'm Anthony, and we'll catch up with you in the next video.